Hello my friends, good evening, and this is our 10th experiment. Welcome to our science exhibition 2017-19. Our 10th project is known as volcano. Volcano, it is not a real volcano, just I am doing a model here of volcano. I am taking this apparatus, this is a sunflower refined oil, this is acetic acid, it is a very concentrated one, acetic acid. This is a this is a sodium bicarbonate, as known as baking soda. This is a empty beaker. Empty beaker. This is. I am adding acetic acid. Please add. I am taking only maybe 100 milliliters. Only 100 milliliters. Please add it. Enough. Please tie the lid. And this is our 100 milliliter acetic acid. Its smell is very strange smell. And this is oil. Now I am adding sunflower refined oil into this. See. And oil is coming upward. Now see, oil is coming upward and acetic acid is downward. This is a displacement reaction. Displacement reaction means what? The substances displace from one each other. This is sodium bicarbonate, and you know that when acetic acid, sodium bicarbonate add into the acetic acid, the vapors it's coming. And I am forgetting something. Maybe it is a Brahmatimer blue. Please bring Brahmatimer blue. Oh no. Sorry, I'm forgetting Brahmatimer blue. No, anything. My partner is bringing Brahmatimer blue. I have a lot of Brahmatimer blue. I am maybe. Please bring us spoon for me, because I want to add this bromothiamine into the acetic acid, because I want to show you the bromothiamine blue indicator is adding into the acetic acid, because when I am adding, the color of acetic acid converted into a blue color. You can see this. Now see this. This is a very interesting. You can see this. Now stop for a while, because the oil is displaced from the acetic acid, because the oil is not heavier than the acetic acid, therefore oil come upward and acetic acid comes downwards, because the acetic acid is much heavier. Now see the reaction of oil is coming upward and acetic acid comes downwards. See this. Now I am adding a five tablespoon. This is a spoon of this is sodium bicarbonate. You can see this. This is a sodium bicarbonate. Now I am adding. See. Oh, it is a very amazing. You can see this. You can see this like a volcano. Something happened. I am taking more. Now see the volcano coming upwards. It is very interesting. Now see the volcano. You can see this. This is a very interesting, and it is a directly convert. See this. This is a very interesting one. Thank you for watching this video. This is a very interesting. You can do it in your home, and this is a very funny also. And thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe it, because we want our videos on the way. Thank you for all.